Yo into beluga. And welcome to the Pants Show.
Thanks yours, Todd. This is it.
So today we have the show for every one of all of you.
I think so, Todd. I really do.
So Miss and Guy, we are all asking the same question. How do you do the Hampy Damp?
You want to know how I do the Hampy Damp?
Yes.
Well, call me Loopy and take a fat poopy. The secret to the Hampy Damp is to always remember the 3 steps.
Otto Beans. I want to hear them.
I'll fucking tell you. Just calm the fuck down.
Oh.
Yay.
Oh.
Mama hammer mom.
Oh.
You ready?
Tell me the secrets.
Step 1. Pretend you're in a tickmick-harlick.
What is a tickmick-harlick?
Like when a dog eats corn, puts it in, puts it right back in, and it doesn't forget to add the corn.
Yeah, that makes the sense to me.
Step 2. Always remember your Frebble shoes.
Frebble shoes.
Yes, Todd. Your Frebble shoes. The Frebble shoes are very, very important. Frebble shoes for you, Frebble shoes for your uncle, and Frebble shoes for Tim Paddle.
Oh, sorry. I didn't know the ring dink pork dink.
Allah ba ha 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 liamu ha ha ha.
I don't think it's that funny.
Todd. I'm wearing a knee bags and new shoulder cones. Don't lay that shit on me.
Oops. I forgot about the knee bags. So tell us about the step 3 for the Hampy Damp.
Well, remember, in order to do the Hampy Damp, you need all 3 steps. Step 1. Pretend you are in a tickmick-harlick. Step 2. Never forget your Frebble shoes. And last, step 3. Crazy elephant bones.
Crazy elephant bones.
That's all there is to it. Crazy elephant bones. And with those crazy elephant bones.
Whoa.
Would you like to know the best part about those crazy elephant bones?
Yeah. La.
You just have to go hee.
Hey.
Hee.
Hey.
Hee.
Hey.
Hee.
I think I have a boner.
What?
A boner.
A boner?
Yeah.
Wow. Well, it takes one to know one, I guess.
I am a Fuji torqued.
Okay. I guess I will admit that I brought extra knee bags.
I thought you would never ask.
Give me some new Repolgo, will you?
If it's Repalco you want. It's Repalco you will get. Also I have always wanted ask you. We are ever any turtles in my bathroom?
See, I have had the same problem, but now I always carry a turtle in my purse. As they say, a turtle in the purse puts a potato in your goat.
That is so true.
So I wanted to talk to you about Bilbo.
Bilpo.
B-I-L-P-O.
Bilbo.
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 That was the cool Kaiju I needed.
La.
So, Todd.
Yes.
How about those things they call televisions?
They sure do?
They sure do.
Tell. Us. Hockey.
The joke about my hairy vagina? Or the joke about the tomato stuck on the elevator?
The tomato on the elevator.
Okay, what do you call a tomato that's stuck on the elevator?
I don't know what.
A boy that doesn't know a pingle from a gingo.
Bingo was a foot face.
So I was wondering. Cats, and forks.
That always bring the best F the red boy out in me.
Because my dad always said never put a tampon in a bowl of fat man sweat.
Me dad said that too.
Get me a fucking happy cup of Beatles, will you?
No. I will never do that.
Oh, okay, Dibadal.
I think that is all I have for you tonight. Bring it on, bitches.
Tomatoes.